Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, I always come back better. So this time, gang, we're in Shozi. So Shozi posted this post last week Sunday. I posted with happy birthday Lom Limboni Lom Paliwe la Payana straight. Ulom like again alone and allegedly Ulom Bekajolan of Faith and Kids. Not just Faith and Kids. I think there was a story where Faith and Kids as Vamsatil Imoto. Bekathathelwa ulomlo. And then I think while they were still happy Faith and Kids in alolom like I said hello. Umihlali Ndamase always on the drama namas. So Umihlali Ndamase was shy of Faith and Kids Stina and the guy posted this video. So Umihlali wakwata ukuthi guy leaked the video. Angafuni ukuthi abantu bazi ukuthi who's funding her lifestyle. So Omusa Kaula recently said that it turns out Taylor Shozi James Guy Magura started dating in 2018, broke up, and they've recently rekindled their relationship. Upon breaking up with Taylor Shozi in 2018, James Guy Magura went on to date Faith and Kids. Imagine, guys. Guys, definitely not standing on business. Usiyenzeni ngizobapha imali lamantombazane and wesutshana my most known slay queens, abo BBL queens. So Olating Faith and Kids imoto, a Range Rover, and took it back upon their breakup. And then wabesekadlala ngo-Faith Nketsi no-Mihlali Ndamase, which led to ukuthi uGuy Adam Faith Nketsi actually no Mihlali Ndamase. Guys, it's happening. And allegedly, Umihlali was hooked up by Ubaba Ramneno. Hey bana. Guys, it's happening. Shukuthi baya e-Abu Dhabi and Dubai and then macedile bashuta lezi ayithombe lezi and then Mihlali threatened uGuy. Guys, kenzakalani ngama-YouTubers? What's happening? Nemihlali being passed around kwi-industry. Kenzakalani? What's happening? And never pay, guys, everything that Mihlali touches, iba dark. Everything that is associated with Mihlali, at least for kids, those are kids wrong, but there's no Mihlali phakathi nendawo. Very not nice, very not demure. At least Faith Nketsi ngiyasekela ngizimpilo yakhe, but naye unokuba nama-ups and downs. But iy'ndaba zama-relationship akasasupposed to post that much. Sakasupposed to lapho nalapho. Otherwise ngeke samubona post iy'ndaba zama-relationship. Let's hope this was the lesson learned for them, for all of them. Let's hope bafundile because ngizwa nokuthi uThelo sekahlukanile nalolomlo sekajola no-Yvonne. So guys, let's just wish them well. Thank you for watching.